Longmont, Colorado sits on the northern Front Range of the Rocky Mountains, and like so many communities across the country, it's experiencing the growing impacts of extreme weather. AT&T saw an opportunity to help Longmont prepare for what's ahead by leveraging data from the Climber portal. Every community faces unique challenges, so Longmont needed mitigation strategies tailored to its specific needs, vulnerabilities, and socioeconomic factors. The portal provides local leaders with detailed, localized projections for future extreme heat, drought, flooding, and wind conditions. For example, the data shows that by mid-century, Longmont's maximum summer heat index is projected to increase by 15 degrees. More than half of Longmont's buildings currently lack central air conditioning, leaving many residents vulnerable to extreme heat. Insights like these can help local leaders refine their hazard mitigation plans and focus resources where they're needed most, protecting vulnerable populations and upgrading infrastructure. They can prioritize expanding cooling solutions, such as planting trees and retrofitting buildings to improve insulation. Through advanced data, analysis, and collaboration, AT&T is helping communities like Longmont build a stronger, safer, more resilient future.